Welcome to the module of TraineMe. This module will help in understanding you more about welding. It includes different topics of welding in process industries. TraineMe module has been designed to make this software training free and provide basic knowledge. Hope you would find it useful and keep on running several videos to have in-depth understanding of welding. Position in which the material will be placed during the welding is termed as welding position. It has significant importance in welding, especially for welding performance qualifications. Welder qualified in one position is not always qualified to weld in all positions. Addition in welding position is an essential variable for qualification of welder. In technical terms, welding positions are designated as 3G, 1F, 6G, 5G, etc. Now we will see how with this terminology, we can assess which welding position is this. Taking an example of 6G, 6 is a numeric which varies from 1 to 6. 1 indicates the most easiest position to weld and 6 the most difficult. And the alphabet can be either G or F. G indicates a groove weld joint and F reflects a fillet-type weld joint. Welding position is mentioned on WPS, PQR, and WPQ. It is better to remember its terminology to have a quick assessment. The most commonly used position for qualification of a welder is 6G. This is an angled or inclined position at 45 degrees. Welding in this position qualifies for all other positions. You would most be encountering welder qualifications in this position. Moving on to other positions of welding. 1G position has pipe in horizontal position and rotating. Welder or the welding operator just needs to add the filler on or neat the top. It also applies on plate while the plate is in horizontal position. In 2G position, pipe is in vertical position and not rotated. This position also applies to plate when it is in vertical position. Now this welding position has pipe in horizontal position and not rotated. Weld is made in flat, vertical, and overhead. This position is 3G for plate and 5G for pipe. In 4G position, plate is in horizontal position and an overhead weld needs to be made. This position is absent in case of pipe. For fillet positions, the first numeric of position terminology has the same meanings as was in the groove. Only difference is the joint type, which in this case is fillet. Here is the qualified positions as per ASME 9. If a welder has been qualified on any position on pipe. As said earlier, welders are normally qualified on 6G so that they can weld in any position which are encountered on site. An addition in the welding position has to comply with these requirements. This is an essential variable for welding performance qualifications. However, position is not an essential variable for welding procedure specifications. WeldPulse helps with the qualification check of welding positions. Just start Welder Check module having the performance essential variables and go to addition in welding position. We have come to the end of a lesson on welding positions which we hope you have understood. Do not hesitate to write to weld@weldpulse.com in case you need any support on WeldPulse software and its features.